Casper Nyovest responds to this fan about aka is Hiluva spicy. Listen, Casper Nyovest is not playing games these days. While he usually maintains a saintly silence around random comments about his life and career, the past few weeks has seen the musician having his say. Here he was, thanking fans for their support and explaining that he's had a great career because of them when one person decided to bring aka into the equation. Casper was not having any of it, and when the tweet said Casper should also thank aka for making him, Cas pulled out his sniper gun and shot down the tweet in one swoop. Any? Not in the mood, fam, just don't.
Yeah.